words, sentences. Bright. A bright star was seen in the sky. A bright star was seen in the sky. Poor. Please help the poor man. Please help the poor man. Believe. I believe your story. I believe your story. Sorry. I am sorry to hear the news. I am sorry to hear the news. Excited. I was excited to meet him. I was excited to meet him. Laugh. They all laughed at him. They all laughed at him. Sleep. He sleeps for 8 hours every day. He sleeps for 8 hours every day. Heavy. He left with a heavy heart. He left with a heavy heart. Wonderful. She had a wonderful voice. She had a wonderful voice. Light. Please switch on the light. Please switch on the light. Essayist. Charles Lamb was a great essayist. Charles Lamb was a great essayist. Magnificent. The palace looked magnificent. The palace looked magnificent. Precious. This diamond ring is very precious. This diamond ring is very precious. Eager. She was eager to learn. She was eager to learn. Behind. He hid behind the wall. He hid behind the wall. Unusual. This is an unusual question. This is an unusual question. Mainly. This book is mainly for children. This book is mainly for children. Cheat. He cheated to win the race. He cheated to win the race. Clever. Rahul is a clever boy. Rahul is a clever boy. Brain. He has an amazing brain. He has an amazing brain. Spelling. I do not know the correct spellings of all words. I do not know the correct spellings of all words. Dramatist. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Shakespeare was a great dramatist. Blind. The blind man carried a stick. The blind man carried a stick. Fair. I visited a fair in the village today. I visited a fair in the village today. Already. I have already reached the place. I have already reached the place. Actor. I want to be an actor. I want to be an actor. Race. She won the race easily. She won the race easily. Puppy. The puppy searched for its mother. The puppy searched for its mother. Poet. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet. Shelf. She kept the book on the shelf. She kept the book on the shelf. Noble. Vidyasagar was a noble man. Vidyasagar was a noble man. Through. They saw a bird through a glass window. They saw a bird through a glass window. Come out. A pigeon came out of the magician's hat. A pigeon came out of the magician's hat. Dreadful. The dead animal made a dreadful sight. The dead animal made a dreadful sight. Neighbor. My neighbor sent me a gift. My neighbor sent me a gift. Scream. He screamed when he saw the lion. He screamed when he saw the lion. Popular. She is a popular singer. She is a popular singer. Shy. We gave sighs of relief. We gave sighs of relief. Frightened. She was frightened to enter the dark room. She was frightened to enter the dark room. Loss. She cried for his loss. She cried for his loss. Hero. Netaji is our national hero. Netaji is our national hero. Destroy. The fire can destroy everything. The fire can destroy everything. Jump. The horse jumped over the fence. The horse jumped over the fence. Strange. His voice sounded strange. His voice sounded strange. Felt. She felt happy to see me. She felt happy to see me. Closer. We went closer to the river. We went closer to the river. Although. Although I was tired, I walked on. Although I was tired, I walked on. Secret. He told me a secret. He told me a secret. Slowly. The train slowly entered the station. The train slowly entered the station. Back. He had a bag on his back. He had a bag on his back. Encourage. The teacher encouraged his students. The teacher encouraged his students. Special. The book is very special. The book is very special. Decide. They decided to leave. They decided to leave. Already. I already finished my work. I already finished my work. Mistake. She made a big mistake. She made a big mistake. Smartest. She is the smartest girl in the class. She is the smartest girl in the class. Unwell. He felt unwell since morning. He felt unwell since morning. Mysterious. This place looks mysterious. This place looks mysterious. Discover. The scientists discovered a new planet. The scientists discovered a new planet. Realize. She realized what she had done. She realized what she had done. Immediately. Immediately, they called an ambulance. Immediately, they called an ambulance. Worry. She started to worry for her son. She started to worry for her son. Certainly. She is certainly a good girl. She is certainly a good girl. Difficult. This is a difficult problem. This is a difficult problem. Understand. She could not understand the foreigner's language. She could not understand the foreigner's language. Cook. She liked to cook for his family. She liked to cook for his family. Watch. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. Spoiling. The children blamed him for spoiling the fun. The children blamed him for spoiling the fun. Trick. The magician showed his favorite trick. The magician showed his favorite trick. Window. She looked outside the window. She looked outside the window. Through. I traveled through the forest at night. I traveled through the forest at night. Protect. The soldier took an oath of protecting the country. The soldier took an oath of protecting the country. Respect. The students showed respect to their teachers. The students showed respect to their teachers. Admit. The burglar admitted his crime. The burglar admitted his crime. Tears. The mother wiped the tears of her child. The mother wiped the tears of her child. Helplessly. The boy helplessly begged for mercy. The boy helplessly begged for mercy. Amazed. She was amazed to know the incident. She was amazed to know the incident. Notice. They all noticed a change in him. They all noticed a change in him. Capture. She captured the wild animal in the cage. She captured the wild animal in the cage. Caught. The fisherman caught fishes with the net. The fisherman caught fishes with the net. Instantly. He informed others instantly. He informed others instantly. Worry. She asked me not to worry. She asked me not to worry. Began. The girl began to sing. The girl began to sing. Upset. You look really upset today. You look really upset today. Absent. Shomo was absent from class today. Shomo was absent from class today. Drag. The horse dragged the carriage. The horse dragged the carriage. Bowl. The soup was served in a bowl. The soup was served in a bowl. Variety. A variety of flowers was seen in the market. A variety of flowers was seen in the market. Tour. The tour was 5 days long. The tour was 5 days long. Net. The fisherman uses a net to catch fishes. The fisherman uses a net to catch fishes. Astonishing. The news of his victory was astonishing. The news of his victory was astonishing. Several. There were several trees in the park. There were several trees in the park. Deliver. The boy delivered a parcel. The boy delivered a parcel. Sell. The poor man sold his house. The poor man sold his house. Heavy. The trunk is very heavy. The trunk is very heavy. Companion. His companion wore a hat. His companion wore a hat. Lovely. The lotus looked lovely in the pond. The lotus looked lovely in the pond. Amazing. This place is amazing. This place is amazing. Uneasy. He felt uneasy on the ropeway. He felt uneasy on the ropeway. None. None of them heard the sound. None of them heard the sound.